afternoon, Miss. Well, I think that story is very interesting because tell us how a person could have a journey with a pet like a dog, and it's really nice because um, I think the most interesting or the most important thing could be the fact of the men through the or had a journey with a dog, and well, for me it's very interesting because when I think about a travel or a journey, uh, I think that in the last thing that I think is about bring a pet with me. I mean, it could be complicated to travel. So well, and three things that I didn't before watching the video could be that uh, well maybe for people that have experience with travels, um, they can manage situations with a pet, and it's interesting to know. And other thing could be that the fact of the dog um, sick and almost died because the dog start to bleed, and well, I don't know, it could be a little bit scared. I mean, I could get afraid of that something happened with my dog or my pet. And anyway, so yes, and that other thing that is for me is surprising for me is that the fact that a person, well, I mean, I knew that many people could travel um, so long um, so long time, but 2 years, because the man in the video said that the man with the dog was were 2 years had 2 years traveling, and I don't know. I think in a moment you will want to stay in a in a just in one place and make family, but I think that could be very enjoy or yes, enjoy or funny to can travel to different countries for own decision. And well, if you don't want to travel alone, you can go with a pet. And yes, that's all. Thank you.